opinions of this station, its advertisers, or iHeartMedia.
Hi, it's Chuck and Mike from the Armstrong Advisory Group, and we're here to talk to you about the newest guide out this month, Inherited IRAs, the New Rules of the Road. And Mike, specifically, the biggest change that happened at the beginning of this year with a bill called the Secure Act is that inherited IRAs, if you're not the spouse of someone and you're inheriting an IRA, you now have to pull all the money out of that IRA within a 10-year period. That is a big change from what it used to be.
It is, and it completely throws off a lot of generational planning that had been done prior to this, under the assumption that if I, at the age of 55 years old, inherited an IRA, I'd be able to stretch that tax liability out over the rest of my life, 20, 30 years in some cases. Instead, now what you have is a compression of those tax liabilities pushed forward into a 10-year time period. And so, while the idea of the RMD, the required minimum distribution for an IRA, has changed, and you don't necessarily need to take it out every year, that compression of all of that income within a 10-year time period really changes the story.
It does. I'd actually make the argument it enables some certain different strategies in terms of, hey, if you're someone inheriting an IRA and maybe you wanted to take a year or two off, you could pull that entire IRA out in that 2-year period if you don't have other income. Maybe you're starting a business, so it gives you the ability to get creative. The new guide from the Armstrong Advisory Group is available by going to armstrongadvisory.com, and again, it's titled Inherited IRAs, the New Rules of the Road. It's got a ton of information on this, and again, it's available only by going to armstrongadvisory.com and downloading the guide for free right there.
Securities offered through Securities America Incorporated. Member FINRA SIPC, and advisory services offered through Securities America Advisors Incorporated. Michael Armstrong and Charles Zotto, representative. Armstrong Advisory Group, Cushing & Rowland, and the Securities America companies are unaffiliated. Portions of the following program will be recorded.
WSNE HD2 Taunton, Providence, 284B in Warwick.
My son Aiden has asthma. Secondhand smoke has triggered his asthma so badly, he ended up in the emergency room and spent multiple nights in intensive care. Now he's on a whole bunch of medications. My tip to you is, don't be shy about telling people not to smoke around your kids.
Half of U.S. kids are exposed to secondhand smoke. If you or someone you know wants help, call 1-800-QUIT-NOW. A message from the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services and CDC.
Hi, this is Ron St. Pierre. It's easier now to listen to News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM to get your news, weather, and traffic when you're at home or at work. If you've got a smart speaker like the Amazon Dot or Echo, just say, Alexa, play News Radio 920 on iHeartRadio.
Getting to the 920 WHJJ station from iHeartRadio.
It's that easy.
Rhode Island's news, traffic, and weather station. News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. Here are the topical stories we're following. Governor Raimondo is looking to move away from the detailed industry-to-industry guidance of the first two phases of the state's reopening plan in the next phase. She said during her coronavirus press briefing on Friday that when the state goes to phase 3, possibly on June 29th, it'll largely be left to the people to do the right thing to limit the spread of the coronavirus. Governor Raimondo said on Friday that the goal is still to resume classroom learning for all Rhode Island public school students on August 31st, but said it's going to take flexibility and innovation to get it done. School districts are now being required to submit 3 different reopening plans by July 17th. Full, partial, and limited in-person learning, with a switch being made if coronavirus numbers take a bad turn. All 3 school reopening plans will have to include putting students in stable groups, and high school students will have to wear masks if distancing is not possible. Providence officials are taking a step to crack down on illegal fireworks use. The city is now requiring that firework vendors hold a sales permit at a cost of $50 annually, and separate permit applications are required for each place fireworks are sold. Get News 24/7 on demand at newsradiori.com.
Now, here's your Storm Team 10 forecast.
Temperatures climb to the low and mid-80s for this Monday afternoon. Lower clouds dissipate, but scattered showers and thunderstorms will be possible this afternoon. Some could bring heavy downpours, but not to all communities at the same time. Shower and storm activity will wane this evening, then another round of low clouds and patchy fog develop overnight into early Tuesday. Tuesday will be partly to mostly sunny in the afternoon, still hot and humid with highs in the mid-80s. I'm Storm Team 10 meteorologist Anthony McCarry on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
Aftermath of a violent weekend. I'm Lisa Brady, Fox News. two shootings under investigation in the zone occupied by protesters in Seattle.
The latest shooting took place just a few hundred feet outside one of the barricaded entrances to the CHOP. It happened about 10:30 last night. We have reports of a 17-year-old getting shot. He was taken to a local hospital and treated and released this morning. But another fatal shooting took place early Saturday morning. Police tried to get to the victims, but were unable to do so.
Fox's Dan Springer in Seattle, where the mayor has said she believes the protest zone can be allowed to exist peacefully. President Trump has slammed the mayor, and Washington's governor has threatened to intervene. A deadly weekend in Minneapolis, where city officials have been trying to do away with the police department.
911 calls came pouring in early Sunday from Minneapolis' Downtown neighborhood, where witnesses reported multiple shooters chasing people as they fired 40 to 50 gunshots, killing one and injuring 11.
At that moment, everybody kind of like dropped to the ground, and we're kind of like scrambling to come inside. It's sad that we need to try to figure out how to protect ourselves and do business and pay our bills at the same time.
No one's in custody yet. Now the Minneapolis PD, which the city council wants dismantled, is investigating. Jeff Manasso, Fox News.
Meantime, in Chicago, police blaming a combination of gangs, drugs, and guns after more than 100 people were shot over the weekend, killing 14, including a 3-year-old boy whose father was thought to have been the intended target. The World Health Organization again urging a united effort to fight coronavirus after another daily record in global cases. Deaths in the U.S. alone hitting 120,000 today. Ask your Amazon smart speaker to play the news from Fox. America is listening to Fox News.
This report is sponsored by the T.J. Martell Foundation.
News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. Traffic.
You've got an incident-free ride on Route 195 both ways between 95 and the state line. It's going to take you about 4 minutes on Route 10 between Route 6 and 95. And you're looking good on 146 north of Woonsocket Hill Road. I'm Jackie Murphy on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
Join the T.J. Martell Foundation in the fight against leukemia, cancer, and AIDS. Your support helps facilitate cutting-edge research that will lead to more effective treatments and save more lives. Visit tjmartell.org to learn how you can help.
They call it the new normal.
Hi, you could just leave the pizza right on the ground. Yep, thank you.
Mr. Trevor here. I found you some hand sanitizer.
I love you.
Okay.
But one thing remains the same.
One sign stamp at Route 6, Route 6 Automobile Kia in Swansea. It's still a crime to pay more than a sign. And get this, you need no car payments for 4 months. Yeah, with 0% financing. Take back the new normal.
Route 6 Automobile Kia, get $25,000 in credit over the phone.
Like now?
Yes, if you bring home 350 a week, you could get up to $25,000 in credit over the phone and online.
This is the new normal? I could get used to.
One dime down.
At Route 6 Automobile Kia in Swansea. Route6Automobile.com. Route6Automobile.com.
That APR 66 months, 9,369 a month plus tax, and fees.
Niagara Pool Filling is ready for all your warm weather water filling needs. Many Rhode Island and Massachusetts pool contractors count on Niagara Pool Filling for all their pool work, irrigation filling systems, koi ponds, and much more. Any job, big or small. With Niagara Pool Filling state-of-the-art equipment and professional and courteous drivers, every job is fast and efficient. Crystal clear water for all your warm weather needs are just a call away. 401-826-7665. Niagara Pool Filling, 826-POOL.
The Rush Limbaugh Show is sponsored locally by Inspirit, an HR that makes a difference, with a local office now in Providence.
News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome today's guest host, Ken Matthews.
You know, no matter how long you prepare for that,
because we get together early in the morning. By the way, it's great to see you on the Rush